we are going to unboxing Mivi S60 soundbar. If you want to see, you subscribe my channel first. Totally, it says two boxes. One is small box. Another one is big box. We can open first small box. One power adapter, battery, plug charge. We can open this Mivi box. You can see this box. It's a very fantastic, shining, good box. You can see this. Now we can open this new branded Mivi soundbar box. I'm so excited to open this box. Here come. Yeah, this is the new brand soundbar for Mivi. It's a very good packing from Flipkart. Nice packing, very nice packing. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Almost over. Now ready to see the Indian brand Mivi. I am also excited to open. So the packing is very nice. How many wrap? Yeah, this is the new brand Mivi. After that, I will share my experience in this soundbar. Thank you.